Hi there, it's Carl Wild from CJW Realty, and today I just wanted to talk to everyone about the rental situation in the southwest, but it seems to be across the board in Western Australia and the rest of the country. The latest that we've had really from the CBA is that the rents remained flat through September and October. So what they've seen is the annual rate of rent growth that was across the country 10 to 12%. Down here in Busselton, we actually saw closer to 19%, is going to start to adjust and plateau to more of a 2 to 3% rental growth in line with your inflation. In saying that, inflation was down to 2% over the last quarter. Trimmed for things like electricity, fuel, etc., is actually running at 3.5%. So on that basis, no rate cuts just yet. We may see some early next year. But in terms of rents, often people sort of think that it's linked to interest rates, which it is a little bit. So they are higher with landlords needing to recuperate some of those costs in terms of interest rates being around 6.5 to 7% on a variable. But it really is underpinned by the supply and demand equation still, where your rental supply in terms of housing supply is still bottlenecking. So, this is what creates an undersupply of rentals, and therefore, with inflation and house prices going up, etc., there's an affordability level there where it still is very hard to make ends meet for tenants to get into a house of their own as a couple, for instance. So why have we seen the annual rate slowing then? More couples are doing things like house sharing, where they might rent out a 3 or 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom home, and they will house share. So, and even the RBA has seen those trends where the household size, average household size across Australia is increasing. But we do expect the rental market to show a little bit of, lapse and hopefully come off the boil a bit for people. The population growth in Australia is slowing now. Net overseas migration is slowing. Of course, that can change at any time and pick up, but at the moment it's slowing. So, and this is easing everything. The housing house supply is still tight, and we're still seeing a lot of, delays with building, and we still need more people working in the construction sector, but they're getting through it. So new builds are now becoming ready, and I think that's also easing the supply bottleneck. So a few points there for consideration around the rental market, and if you're looking to just see what your property in Busselton, Dunsborough, Bunbury, or generally anywhere in the southwest would yield in terms of a weekly rent, by all means, it's very easy for us to do a curbside appraisal with rental markets. It's not as diverse in terms of appraising a sales property. The rent markets seem to be pretty tight in their floor space and bedrooms, bathrooms. We can give a pretty good estimate within $20 per week. So if you're looking for a rental estimate, please just give us a call at CJW Realty. We can do that very quickly and then send that off to you as an email, or if you need it for a letter for refinancing or any other purpose related to real estate. Not a problem. Just contact us on an email, give us a call, and we are more than happy to help. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.